In the automotive world, the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 392 is making waves, boasting a robust 470 horsepower engine and the latest Xtreme 35 package. This off-roading beast is now equipped with a 4.56 axle ratio and a Selec-Trac full-time transfer case featuring a 4-low ratio of 2.72 to 1. What's more, the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon models offer a groundbreaking option, a factory-installed Warn winch with a staggering 8,000-pound capacity. This powerful winch is nestled within a rugged steel front bumper, complete with detachable end caps. One standout feature is the Wrangler Rubicon 392's functional hood scoop, which funnels cool, dense air from the outdoors into the engine, leading to a heightened performance. Jeep's masterminds have meticulously designed the vehicle to ensure its V8 engine receives a constant supply of fresh air, irrespective of terrain or weather conditions. The HydroGuide air intake system incorporates a sophisticated tri-level ducting structure and a series of drains, including an ingenious one-way drain in the airbox that diverts water, an astonishing 15 gallons per minute, away from incoming air. This innovation allows the Wrangler Rubicon 392 to confidently ford through water up to 34 inches deep, even as waves crest over the hood. Underneath the hood lies a 6.4-liter V8 engine specifically tuned for the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. This powerhouse generates 470 horsepower and 470 pound-foot of torque. Remarkably, almost 75% of peak torque is accessible just above the engine idle speed, ensuring thrilling performance, from achieving a 4.5-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time to conquering steep inclines. The 6.4-liter V8 employs a cast iron cylinder block, aluminum heads, active intake manifold, variable camshaft timing, twin spark plugs per cylinder, sodium-filled exhaust valves, hollow stem intake valves, and piston oil cooling jets. Moreover, the Wrangler Rubicon 392 engine features a rear sump oil pan, high-mount alternator, and free-flowing exhaust manifolds. The fuel-saver technology with cylinder deactivation effortlessly transitions to a high fuel economy 4-cylinder mode during light engine loads, such as highway cruising. A high-performance tank-mounted pump ensures the V8 remains well-fueled under even the most challenging circumstances. The Wrangler Rubicon 392 is also fitted with an active dual-mode exhaust system as a standard feature, producing a thrilling and unmistakable roar. The system activates automatically under higher engine loads, opening valves in the exhaust system to minimize back pressure. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, drivers can also engage the system with a simple button press. The dual-pipe performance exhaust system is stylishly completed with unique quad exhaust tailpipes. Finally, the high torque capacity Torque Flight 8-speed automatic transmission ensures rapid, seamless gear shifts during both regular and high-performance driving situations. This advanced transmission serves as the perfect complement to the Wrangler Rubicon 392's impressive list of features, making it a truly formidable off-road machine.